Sa unang tingin ay hindi mo akalaing food park pala ito kasi mukha lang siyang art museum mula sa labas. Parang fairy tale lang atake, ganun. Pero once you enter, you will be welcomed by all of these beautifully crafted art pieces as in every detail is very artsy. Ililikha Artist Village is located in Assumption Road, which is just a few steps from Session Road in Baguio. Meron ditong 9 restaurants and you will have to find the restaurant of your choice within the whole area. Meron dito sa first floor lang, meron sa second floor, and meron din sa basement. Make sure to visit this place before 8 p.m. dahil maaga ang closing time nila. So I just ate dinner here while appreciating art bago pumunta sa night market. I tried this tofu sisig in Wainu for 165 pesos. Tamang-tama para sa mga health conscious dyan kasi may tofu na, may konting gulay, tapos brown rice pa, tapos 165 pesos lang siya. O diba, pak na pak to, kaya 10/10 to for me. I also tried this cottage cheese dumplings for 79 pesos in Yomichi Snack House. Isa daw ito sa mga kalimitan na nakikita ko sa TikTok na most recommended, kaya na-intriga din naman ako. Unfortunately, hindi lang talaga siguro ako yung market nito, kaya 7 out of 10 lang to for me. Sakto lang. Kung first time mong pupuntang Baguio or matagal na panahon na noong last kang pumuntang Baguio, make sure to visit Ililikha Artist Village kasi